Have you ever wondered what your cat can see and hear that you never will? From detecting the slightest movement in the shadows to hearing the faintest rustle in the distance, your feline friend experiences a sensory world far beyond human perception. In the next few moments, we'll uncover the fascinating world your cat navigates daily, one that remains hidden from your own eyes and ears. 13. Ultra-sensitive hearing. Ever noticed how your cat's ears twitch at sounds you can barely hear? That's because their hearing is extraordinary. While humans can detect frequencies between 20 Hz and 20 kHz, cats hear an impressive range from 48 Hz to 85 kHz. This allows them to pick up high-pitched noises like a mouse scurrying or an insect buzzing, sounds entirely out of reach for human ears. A unique structure inside their ears, called the cochlea, contains more sensory cells than ours, allowing them to tune into higher frequencies. So, when your cat hears the rustle of a treat bag from across the house, it's not magic. It's just their incredible auditory superpower. 12th. Night vision. Ever wondered why your cat's eyes seem to glow in the dark? It's all thanks to their exceptional night vision. Cats have a specialized layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, enhancing their ability to see in low light. This adaptation allows cats to see in conditions 6 times darker than what humans require. While you're fumbling in the dark, your cat confidently navigates its surroundings, spotting movements you'd never notice. 11th. Ultraviolet light detection. Did you know your cat can see ultraviolet, UV light? Unlike humans, whose vision stops at the visible light spectrum, cats can detect UV rays, revealing patterns and details that are invisible to us. Many flowers, for example, have UV patterns designed to attract pollinators, and your cat can see these intricate designs. They can also detect urine trails and other biological markers, which may explain their curiosity about certain spots you overlook. 10. Increased peripheral vision. Your cat always seems to notice movement even when it's not looking directly at something. That's because they have superior peripheral vision. While humans have a visual field of about 180 degrees, cats see nearly 200 degrees around them. This expanded field of view helps them detect motion from almost any direction, whether it's a bird flying outside the window or a toy rolling across the floor. Sensitivity to Earth's magnetic field. Ever seen your cat suddenly stop and look around as if sensing something unseen? They may actually be detecting Earth's magnetic field. Like some migratory animals, cats appear to have an internal compass that helps them navigate their surroundings. This built-in GPS could explain why some lost cats find their way home over long distances. 8. Detection of infrasounds. Cats can hear infrasounds, which are low-frequency noises too deep for humans to detect. These sounds can come from distant storms, earthquakes, or even animals moving far away. Your cat's ears act as an advanced warning system, picking up environmental changes long before you do. When they suddenly perk up or react to something you can't hear, they may be sensing distant vibrations. 7. Whisker sensitivity. Your cat's whiskers are more than just adorable. They're highly sensitive tools for navigation. Each whisker is packed with nerve endings that help detect even the slightest air currents or changes in their environment. This sensitivity allows them to gauge whether they can fit through tight spaces and navigate in complete darkness. Their whiskers serve as an extra set of eyes, helping them explore the world with remarkable precision. 6. Sensing your stress or sickness. Ever notice your cat becoming extra affectionate when you're feeling down or unwell? Cats have an uncanny ability to detect changes in your body chemistry. They can sense shifts in stress hormones like cortisol, and notice subtle changes in your movements and breathing patterns. When you're sick or stressed, they may curl up beside you, purr soothingly, or act more protective, offering comfort in a way only they can. 5. Enhanced depth perception. Cats are expert jumpers, landing gracefully even from high places. This is thanks to their superior depth perception. Their forward-facing eyes allow them to focus both eyes on the same object, helping them accurately judge distances. This precision is crucial for hunting, playing, and making those seemingly impossible leaps with ease. 4. Detecting hormonal changes. Your cat can tell when something is different about you, even if you don't realize it yet. Their acute sense of smell allows them to detect hormonal fluctuations caused by stress, pregnancy, or even your menstrual cycle. Your body releases chemical signals during these changes, and your cat can pick up on them, sometimes leading to changes in their behavior, like increased affection or attentiveness. 3. Reading facial expressions. Cats may seem independent, but they're excellent at reading human emotions. They can pick up on subtle changes in your facial expressions, such as a smile or a frown, and adjust their behavior accordingly. Over time, cats have learned to interpret our emotions, making them more attuned to our moods than we might expect. 2. Sensitivity to electrical fields. Just as they can detect magnetic fields, cats may also be able to sense electrical fields. This sensitivity could explain why they sometimes avoid certain spots in the house or seem drawn to others. Electrical currents running through walls or electronic devices may influence their movement, making them more aware of their environment than we realize. 1. Detecting heat signatures. Ever wonder how your cat always finds the warmest spot in the house? It's not just luck. They can actually see heat. Their eyes are adapted to detect infrared radiation, allowing them to sense temperature differences in their surroundings. This ability helps them identify warm-blooded prey in the wild and locate the coziest places to rest at home. The hidden world of cats. Your cat experiences a reality filled with sights, sounds, and sensations you'll never perceive. From their extraordinary hearing to their ability to detect UV light and heat signatures, they navigate a world that remains invisible to human senses. So next time your cat stares into the distance or reacts to something unseen, remember, they might be sensing something incredible beyond your perception.